Today, we'll discuss about blockchain and some questions like what is it, where it can be used, and so many such questions. So, first of all, let's begin with, what is blockchain technology? Blockchain is a type of distributed tally, comprised of unchangeable, digitally recorded data in packages called blocks, rather like collating them onto a single distance of paper. Each block is also chained to the coming block, using a cryptographic hand. This allows blockchains to be used like a tally, which can be participated and penetrated by anyone with the applicable warrants. The blockchain network has no central authority, it's the veritably description of a normalized system. Since it's a participated and inflexible tally, the information in it's open for anyone and everyone to see. Thus, anything that's erected on the blockchain is by its very nature transparent and everyone involved is responsible for their action. With data stored in multiple clones and continually conformed, it becomes more delicate for vicious druggies to take control of the network by taking control of one knot or a small sprinkle of bumps. The further actors there are who hold identical clones of the blockchain, the harder it's to cheat or manipulate the system. Blockchain is a lot like the internet. Okay, let me explain this. It started as an idea that people had, and then became something that everyone uses every day. The same thing is happening with blockchain technology. It's still in its early days, but it looks like it could be an extremely powerful tool for helping us solve problems we didn't even know we had until now. You can see how blockchain can be used in almost every industry. It's a great way to securely store and transfer information, and the blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so many more. Blockchain technology is a distributed database that keeps track of all transactions between parties on an immutable ledger that cannot be changed without affecting all copies. The creator of each block is known as a miner who gets rewarded for their efforts with new blocks added to the chain. How great is that? Isn't it? Hope you've loved this video, and if you want more such videos, then keep on our channel by subscribing us. We often upload such informative videos. Hit the like button and make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Thank you.